Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video I'm gonna walk through secret tricks to put pictures in your keyboard. So it is very easy to do that. Most of the Android devices have Gboard keyboard in their phone by default. You can just put a picture in the Gboard, and if you don't have the Gboard, just go to Play Store and search for Gboard. Here you can see I've already downloaded it. If you don't have it, just download it. Now to launch it, just go to settings and search for Gboard. Click on it, and after clicking it, here you can see theme. Click on theme. Now here you can see in my theme there is a plus icon. By just clicking it, you can just put a picture. So click it and put a picture here. After selecting the picture, you can just adjust the photo, and after that click on next. Now here you can just adjust the brightness and click on done. You can also choose key borders or not, and after that click the bottom right apply. Now here you can see the keyboard with picture. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.